Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. First of all, the channel is not about stock tips, predictions, or getting rich quickly. You won't find any such content in this channel. So, what is it about? So, it's about documenting a long term experiment that I'm going to undertake in systematic trading. The last few years, I've been in the markets exploring, experimenting few derivatives strategies. Fortunately, I'm uh, successful so far. I will continue that, but at the same time, I do know that to make real wealth, the derivatives market is constrained in a way for the scale. So eventually, I want to build mindset for positional trading, or you may call it investing. Some may prefer it calling investing, but for me, it's still uh, long-term trading. Okay. So the first video is really to put the why of the channel out, and so that's why we are here. First point is to document whatever I'm going to do as part of this journey, where I plan to run a portfolio of quantitative rule-based strategies, and I want to publicly journalize them. One of the goals. Second is self-commitment. As you know, trading is emotionally difficult, and this has been one of my weaknesses or mistakes that I've done, where I've taken decisions pretty quickly, and so that's where I have this commitment to myself that even when I make a major decision in future, I want to put some checks in place. So even when I'm convinced that I want to drop a strategy, I want to have a timeline of a month or two where I can think it through than suddenly going the other way, or just hopping on another system that I find interesting. Yeah. One of the other reasons is also that the scarcity of such content in the internet today, especially in India, at least I have not come across channels where the systematic trading is documented as a journey. So probably there are a few, but the famous ones are mostly in the FNO trading, and of course that we have good content on 1 hour podcasts, but nothing that connects with people over the years and shares the feedback of what we do. Yeah, of course, the strategy or strategies that I want. So I will start with one strategy, and the ideal scenario, the holy grail, is to have a bunch of non-correlated strategies. There are few. It's we may find it surprising the number of strategies that you can build. Uh, there are only few themes that are truly non-correlated. So let's see how the strategies evolve. Then the final is okay, the disclaimer. This channel is strictly uh, public documentation, nothing more. and I don't think I will have the scale to you know impact the markets in any way. This is for the regulators. So this is to share my personal experience, and nothing on this channel should be considered as financial advice, investment advice, or a recommendation to buy or sell any sort of security, because everyone's financial risk tolerance is different, objectives are different. So don't ever copy me. It's see how I'm doing and give feedback if if you find this kind of content interesting. My goal is simple: execute the strategies consistently, track the results, and share the journey along the way. You know? And yeah, that's all. Yeah, in the upcoming videos, I'll put out my first strategy that I want to include in my uh, yeah portfolio of strategies. So until then, goodbye. Thank you.